Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it so your app requires like your Face ID to open it. So for instance, you don't want, maybe you're showing something to your mom and like she grabs her phone and like she reads everything else, opens up every app. My mom doesn't do that, but like this is just an example. Um, so you can just turn on like require Face ID for that specific app. For instance, I don't want anybody reading my WhatsApp messages, so I'm just going to press on that. And as you can see, there's a lot of options. It's different for every app because obviously they do like different things. For WhatsApp, there's search, new chat, camera, my QR code, edit home screen, share app, and there's going to be a require Face ID moment. You're just going to select that, and it says require Face ID for WhatsApp. This app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear in notification previews or spotlight. So when you open WhatsApp, you can also use like your passcode if the Face ID doesn't work. So you're going to then select require Face ID, and you're just going to I don't know, enter your password. I don't really want to require Face ID to open WhatsApp. I don't really have anything on there anyways, or any other apps on my phone. So I'm not too bothered to enable it, but if you want to, this is how you can do that. I don't know what hide and require Face ID. Oh, I guess like the app will be hidden. I'm not sure, but that is how you can require Face ID or even password for apps now, which I think is cool. Maybe it's better if you add like this to like apps that have your like bank info or something like that. I think that's a good idea to use the Face ID feature on it. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video, and if this did not work out for you, just reply in the comment section down below and I'll try to like answer it. Also, I think it only works for iOS 18 and above. I'm not sure because it didn't work on my old phone. Like I didn't have this feature, so keep that in mind if you're on older phones. Yeah, it sucks. I don't know why, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.